Good morning, everyone. It is March 17th, St. Patrick's Day at 8:43 a.m. in first block at Liberty High School. This is Introduction to Engineering Design. Here's the Schoology course page, of course, and in the Start Here folder, you see announcements. Yes, announcements there. 1.2.4 Fundamentals of Dimensioning. Well, I'm still stuck on 1.2.3, which is multi-view drawings. And if you go back here to Project Lead the Way webpage, this is the assignment itself. And I am right there on number 3. And let me show you what I mean by that. Oh, by the way, and Start Here, you can go to the Engineering Notebook Simulator, which is right there. And let me show you what I mean by part 3. There is part 3. I hope you can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Zoom in a little bit. Okay, so part 3 is right there. That's the hand sketch, of course, of that. I mean, you know, it's a hand sketch. I mean, don't be too critical. And notice it says see screenshots at the end of the document scan. And then there is also that particular object, which I sketched right there. And a little bit sloppy, some errors there. Anyways, shut up. This is my multi-view isometric and orthographic of that object and isometric and orthographic of that object. And so at this point, what I need to do is 3D model it on Onshape. So let me see, which one do I feel better about doing? I guess I'll just do that one. Okay, so I'm going to make that object. That is the object right there. And I'm looking at it and I'm feeling some things. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Onshape and create a new document. And what am I going to call this? IED 1.2.3 part 3, and my initials, of course. Make sure you name things in a similar fashion. By the way, this is the tiki birds from Disney World. And so when I'm looking at this, I see that, you know, what stands out to me, well, first of all, the front, I consider this the front view. And so what stands out to me here is it looks like, you know, this top of the base, the top of the base is what I'm drawn to. So I'm going to start there with my design. And because it is the top, it's going to be the top, right? So I'm going to create a sketch. Ordinarily, I would go to the front, but this time I'm going to go to the top. And so there I am. I'm on the top. And when I look at this, can I move in? Can I zoom in on that a little bit? Whoa. Okay, that's not quite what I expected. All right, how do I make that bigger? Oh, there we go. Bigger. Okay. So when I look at this, I'm looking at this as 1 inch by 1 inch, that little square there, and 1 inch by 1 inch, that little square there. So if I'm looking at the isometric, I've got a 1 here, looks like a half, and then I think that's a 3. Is that the way that I drew it? I got a 1 and a half, and then a 1, 2, 3, and then a half, and then okay, and then a 3. All right, I think I know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to make, I'm going to make something. It's going to be a rectangle. And there, okay, apparently it's very small. Going back here, I want my rectangle to be 1, and then 3 more is 4, and then 1 more is 5, and then 3 deep. Okay, so I want it to be 3. Why is nothing happening? Okay, that's uncomfortable. Let's undo that a little bit. Let's start that again. I think I want, why is this happening? Stop it. Okay, one more time before I have a nervous breakdown. Okay, I'm going to make a thing here. I'm going to click it once. All right. And then that I'm going to make a 5, I think. 5. There we go. And then a 3. And trust me, I'm just trying. Whoa, that was weird. Let me. Okay, this is not quite working out the way I had hoped. Okay, let me move this out of the way. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's what I want. I want that front right there. Okay, good. Oh my God, I almost had a nervous breakdown. Okay, so I'm going to say that is 5 across and that is 3 deep. And then it looks like I got a little 1 here. Let me see here. I'm going to make what am I going to do? I'm going to make another rectangle. I'm going to call it a construction rectangle, so to speak. Okay, why did nothing happen? Okay, here we go. There we go. And this one, I'm going to make 1 wide and 0.5 All right, I'm feeling like that might actually be sort of that little divot right there. Okay, and then I'm going to make another one. Yeah, I'm going to make another one right there. And this one I'm going to make 1 and 0.5. All right, and then I'm gonna make a line from here to here. Okay, let's see, is that, yeah, I'm making that little divot. Okay, and so I gotta clean up some things here. Scissors are your friend. Scissors, yes, yes, and yes. Isn't that beautiful? Scissors everywhere. And so now let me look at this a little bit. Whoa, whoa. Let me look at, okay, there we go. There's that little, there's the top of that base. And so now what I want to do is extrude it down 1 inch. So let me finish that and then extrude and then that, and I want it to go down. Do I want it to go down? Maybe I want it to go up. And I want it to go up 1 inch. Okay, there's the base of that thing. Okay, sort of. There's the base. Yes. Okay, and now I need to add this, sort of thing here, whatever that is. That looks like, if the whole thing is 5, maybe that's about 4. So a little half and a half, and then 1 deep there. Okay, so how am I going to do that? I don't know. I'm going to make a new sketch. Whoops, did I check mark that? New sketch on top of here. Let me look at it. All right, there we go. There. Whoa, whoa. Okay, let me move my picture out of the way. Okay, so I need, what am I doing here? I need to do, oh, here we go. I'm gonna make it a half and a 1 and a 4 and a 1 and a half. That's what I'm gonna do. So watch this. I'm gonna make a rectangle here. Yes, isn't that wonderful? 0.5, enter, 1, enter. And then I want, I guess, another one. I guess I want another one here. And this one's gonna be 0.5, enter, 1, enter. All right, that looks nice. And then I want another rectangle. Actually, I'm just using that sort of as a construction rectangle. There's the rectangle that I actually want. And then nice, that's beautiful. Now, how tall is that going to go? Let me see. If that's 1, let's call it 2, 3. Let me see. 1, 2. I'm going to call it 4. I'm going to call it 4 tall. I got a feeling that's not going to be high enough, but who cares? Okay, I'm going to make it 4 tall. Let's look at it. Whoa. Okay. There we go. There we go. So extrude that thing. Do I want it to be 4? 4? I guess maybe that's okay. Maybe 4 tall, maybe. Okay. And then I need to sort of, whoa. I don't know why this is not working. Whoa, okay. All right, so now I want to sketch on that surface, I guess. Okay, sketch on that surface. Let me look at that surface. And I want to make like a circle, I guess. Where's the circle going to be? Okay, I'm going to try to put it, where am I going to try? I'm going to make a line, like a construction line, like I like to call it. Let's make this one 2. Oh, make this 2 maybe. That tell me where the center of my circle is going to be. Let me escape that. The center of my circle. Okay, I like it. That might actually work out nicely. And then I want another circle. Oh, 1 maybe. That circle's not big enough, I don't think. I need that circle to be bigger. Can I just change it? Like click right on it and change it? Okay, 2 maybe. Okay, ooh, I feel like that could be good. And so what do I do now? Check mark. Go to here. Okay, all right, extrude. Extrude, I want to extrude this and this, and I want to remove it. And check mark, is that right? Okay. Okay, now where did that sketch go? Where did that sketch, there we go. I need to make it visible. Need to make it visible, there it is. And I need to extrude that and remove that. Check mark, that's not bad. That's not bad, my friends. Okay, so there's the part itself, but the point here is to make a multi-view. And so I'm going to go to plus, create drawing. I don't know what any of that means. And so I'm making a draw. It's called a drawing. It's on the bordered sheet like that. And I'm going to pick my part and stick it right there. Yes, that's nice. And then, so I got the front and the side of it, and I can click it again to make the top of it. And I can click it again to make the isometric. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Now, this is a multi-view. So I've got the isometric, which actually needs to be shaded. So I'm going to right click. Let me escape a few times. Right click on that, show shaded view. Okay, and I've got the top, the front, the side. As far as a multi-view is concerned, that's it. I've done the assignment 1.2.3, or at least that part of the assignment 1.2.3, where I've done the multi-view. The next assignment I'll do the dimensions themselves. But for right now, I'm going to use some snipping tool. Snipping tool, I'm going to make a new snip. And I'm drag all the way across here in order to make a proper screenshot. Look, there's a picture of me within the screenshot. And then I can copy that. Let me see, where's that thing? Okay, back to here. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Right, there we go, there we go. So notice that it says here, screenshot, see screenshot at the end of the document. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. And I'm gonna make it like that. See, oh, that's too big, I think. Okay, make it fit a little bit better there. Okay. I guess that's good, right? Is that good enough? I hate to say it that way, but I think that's good enough, right? Okay, so I will stop the video there. I have made, oh, it's time to wrap it up. So make that stop. So I have made that particular object in multi-view and I put it in my engineering notebook after sketching it by hand. You know, I did that with pen on paper. So that's what the assignment looks like so far for me, at least a simulation of it. So I think that's a good place to stop since the bell is going to ring like in 5 minutes. And so let's see here. I'm going to stop the recording and I will say bye for now.